Check this out, I can add my favorite SFX to my timeline in one click. And yeah, that's on top of having the GTA weapon wheel literally inside Premiere Pro. That's BLINKL SFX Lib. But first, you're gonna need BLINKL.io, like the GTA weapon wheel, but literally inside Premiere Pro. If you haven't installed it yet, links in the description. And the weapon wheel is free. Alright, let's get into it. Open your ring, Control plus right click or your custom hotkey. Click BLINKL at the center, then select the SFX Lib extension. Let's start by setting up your library. On the left, you can see all your folders: Explosion, Riser, Whoosh. Click on a folder and the sounds inside appear. And of course, you can create as many folders as you want to sort your SFX. Just click right here, name your folder, like click/button, and that's literally it. You've got your new folder. Now, importing SFX is super simple. You've got two options. Either click on Add SFX to add a single SFX, like I'll import this one here, okay, and there it is right here. Or click Add SFX again and select all the SFX you want at once. Here, I'll grab all of these. Boom. Add. And there's my folder with all my SFX inside. Perfect. Now you can just click play to preview your SFX. And if there are SFX you use all the time, you can add them to favorites, just like that. And honestly, you can organize your library however you want based on your workflow. All your SFX on the side, your favorites, your sorted folders. To add an SFX to your timeline, it's insanely simple. Just hit apply, boom, it imports instantly into your timeline. Now let me show you how to import an SFX in under a second using shortcuts and the BLINKL ring. Open your ring, head back to SFX Lib, and choose the SFX you want to drop directly into your ring. I'll grab Whoosh 2. On every SFX, there's an add to ring icon. Just click it and you can drop your SFX into a slot in the ring, or replace one directly like here. You can also put it in a sub ring, same thing. And you can manage all of this through the ring settings right here. That's BLINKL SFX Lib. Perfect if you're editing shorts, YouTube videos, or motion design. You'll go 3 times faster in your workflow. Install BLINKL for free, link in the description. Subscribe, next one's coming soon.